You know, we are the Bunbrook Square, Port Antonio, you know, Bunbrook Road, Bunbrook Avenue. Yes, and Pat Bottom Kitchen again is here. Pat Bottom Kitchen to the people again, you don't know a thing, go. This morning, you know, our main thing this morning, you know what happened this morning? We're gonna go feature the Ackee Tree. You see the Ackee Tree? The Ackee Tree, the all here around Ackee Tree. Yeah, see they're right in this area, in a Bunbrook, yeah. All around Ackee Tree. Yes, this is my place. This is my little hometown right here. My little home village, I said. Yeah. Carly, morning. Yes, sir. Boss, I show up in money. You get paid, Carly? Lunch money? Alright. We never got a shop, man. Let me change it here. Alright. As we said, this is the place, you know. This is where I was grown. This is where I was brought up in. This is my little community here. Yeah, man. And now over here, we got Mailer Place. Mailer Place now become a car wash and all that. Right over here, sir. Now we talk about the corner shop. The corner shop here, so now, because we here talk about Miss Morgan. See it here, sir? Miss Morgan place this. It's a funny place. Yes? Right, so you what happen now? As we say, you're fire. Fire youth. As we say, you know the Ackee Tree feed the whole community. So as we say,
cook and eat.
As so he said, right? Cook this is Ackee Tree. Josie say, where you say Josie?
Cook and eat.
Cook and eat.
I enjoy life.
Because that's what we do right here at Pat Bottom Kitchen. Cook and eat. Yes. All year round. All year round Ackee. Alright. Pat Bottom Kitchen, see there? Pat Bottom man. See there? Ackee in a pot already. So here what happen now? Or pick Ackee in a bus. This is where I'm going with. Yeah, man. Yeah, this Ackee Tree now, everybody pick Ackee, you know. Look up, I think I joke I make look. One man does pick Ackee, and next one over there pick Ackee, you know. Right, where do you pick Ackee? You get some? Yeah, that's how you think set up. Alright. See there? This is Ackee Tree all year round Ackee. Yeah, man, everybody try this Ackee Tree feed the community. You see me? Yesterday Ackee pick, this morning Ackee pick. As you go in the house and come back out, Ackee pick. So you go read them Ackee. Alright.
Let me stick out and make it too.
Joey, so Ackee over there, sir?
Frozen garlic?
No, sir. 3, 6, 9. One, 2 more. There's 2 more. The books are fine too. This can't this good books.
Yo, over there.
This can't cook season. We don't want much. We don't want much. This good food.
Alright, Josie gone. Josie gone with the Ackee, so I saw the Ackee business set up. Alright, right. Alright, the man gone with the Ackee, so still I pick Ackee. Ackee can't stand. Alright.
Dropping a pot bottom. Why? Ready, bro. There is a pot bottom.
I'm the Urban.
Yeah?
Where's on, brother? I'm pick Ackee, brother.
Catch him.
One more there, right there. See that? See, look. You see how many that pull this one? Yeah. Let me broke up the Ackee in them.
How much people pick from man? I'll pick some more ass.
Tell her, Ackee. You want to hold on your head and hold back your head? Ackee. Hold on your head, hold up your head and open. So the Ackee business operates out there. So. We call it the little Ackee Tree. Yeah? We feed the most people of Portland. This Ackee Tree is called the little Ackee Tree. Yeah. But them come root it out, man. The two in the herbs. With the Ackee, and we have the chicken back. We have brown stew chicken back. We have that, and we in a burn it kitchen. You have a kitchen here, burn it, original burn it. Ah, look on the side. What going on the side now? We have some kegs. A dumpling in boss man, so you know what going on. So we have work some dumpling, and we have work some brown stew chicken back, and we have the Ackee going to chicken back. Alright? So we in a burn it kitchen with a pot bottom kitchen. One of the famous pot bottom kitchen at Brumbrook. And we in a burn it kitchen. I deal with some things, alright? So here we go. The man come with him seasoning them in. So here we go. I'm gonna drop some. Hey. Scotchy, the onion, the scallion. Hey, talk to them. They're right in a burn it kitchen. You soon know name burn it, man. You don't get no other name. Burn it, you don't get. Pot bottom. Wherever you are, man, the pot bottom with you, pot bottom where I do, pot bottom kitchen. I do the thing. Alright, so here we're gonna we'll catch you when Ackee are going to the pot. Show you the party. Alright? So pot bottom kitchen. Man, you can always call you, man. We're up on the road, you know, we in the street. We link you up and we drop you a pot bottom kitchen and you don't know anything about. Sort out the thing and post the thing. Burn it with our burn it kitchen. Yeah? Pot bottom style. This original thing, we're not doing anything. Man called burn it. See him there? I'm a deal with thing. I don't know, I'm a the man. I don't know him other wife, but I know him as burn it. I don't call him other name. Burn it. When we say burn it, we say burn it. And that's burn to deal with. And right now burn it, I add Ackee in the pot. Alright, so we're going to hold it now until you see there. Action! No!
Yeah, no,
we're talking. Oh, burn it, you want a bigger spoon. And we have the chicken back in that. Yeah, man, Ackee, now we have put that now, make him simmer down again. The next 5 or 10 minutes, okay? So that's how you think, so burn it kitchen. Pot bottom style, okay? Here we go, we'll catch you. We're gonna catch you, you know, if you like it, if you want to feel it, you gotta touch it. And you know, pot bottom kitchen, yeah? Catch it, and when you touch it, you're gonna hear that bell ring, bang, bang. And we're gonna be by your doorstep in a minute, okay? Pot bottom kitchen. Do it. I eat this, you know. And the food is what we crave about, you know, the good old stew chicken and Ackee. And you know, we have the king over there, so the king of the jungle, you know. Yeah, man, the rollers you call them here. Those are the rollers. The rollers, and you have Mr. Car Bonnet right there, so. Yeah, man, a Mercedes-Benz Bonnet, this is a Scotch Bonnet, pepper. Mercedes Bonnet, see him right there, so there? Yeah, man, and tell me now what I want. Burn it, or the food taste. Mad, mad.
Food good.
Food good. Alright.
Very good.
Burn it place, pot bottom style. That's how we have it. Now we take it from the Ackee Tree. Yeah man, we take it from the Ackee Tree and you know, see Ackee we picked this morning, see pamphlet there? Where they roll as them, we call them the kegs. Yes sir, and burn it up and running. Yeah, that was a day of burn it kitchen. Okay, so as we say you can...
Help on yourself. Help on yourself.
Yes, the boss say help on yourself. You know, sharing business. So here we go. Help yourself. Alright? As we say, pot bottom kitchen. So, burn it, tell me now. The man myself when we can call it burn it. So tell you what I go on from burn it business. What the burn it business start out? And Pearl give my name the only lady we have on the back here. And Pearl days. Aye.
And Pearl stylist for you.
Yes man, how are you man? One time. Yes sir. And Pearl days them sir. And say thing there. And the Miss Morgan, big son. See him the man. Ah, we catch him on camera, I try hide though. You know, everything, a community thing, you know. So this is a natural thing. This is not set thing. This is all natural we see going on here. Ackee pick, pot cook, next door neighbor we call him, yo, you know, food up on table, so yo happen, come eat. And it's a Carly from across the road. Yeah man.
Ackee and dumpling, you know.
Alright.
Which is right.
Which is right. Ackee and dumpling and chicken, who?
Chicken box.
Alright, so that's the thing there.
Big up generals.
Alright.
Back bottom.
Yes.
Brooks Kitchen.
Brooks Kitchen, alright, this is our Brooks Kitchen. Brooks Kitchen pot bottom style. Yes? You can stay there, you know where I'm going. You soon know where I'm going.
I want to know exactly where I'm going.
Yeah man, that's to do my pot bottom kitchen and you know so things set up. So we're the place. As we say, on the corner, round the lane, in the city, yeah, round town. Just call us up because we have forgot the pot bottom was so going. Alright, and this is the real thing right here so now. A pot bottom kitchen, alright? So make you know where I'm going. And pot bottom kitchen we sort you out. Okay, over there in London, here we go. Pot bottom kitchen. Over there in the US of A, here we go. Pot bottom kitchen. Canada. New York, here we go. Pot bottom kitchen. And you know you're there. At the barber shop you're there. Alright, man go for seconds.
Now let me get Richard.
Man go for seconds and man return.
Let me get Richard the stand.
See there? Yeah man. Man return. See there? Alright. If you like it, touch that button. Alright. Tell us what's going on at Pot Bottom Kitchen, alright? We'll talk to you. Orion, talk to me. Chaff your mouth, sir.
Tell them like and subscribe.
Alright, them know where I'm going.